Good morning, dear traders. Today is 26th of August and you're welcome to InstаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. The People's Bank of China decided to trim its interest rates for the fifth time since November 2014. Besides, it revised the required reserve ratio for all banks. The one-year lending rate was cut by 25 basis points to 4.6%, and the one-year deposit rate was also reduced by 25 basis points to 1.75%. The changes come into force since today. The required reserve ratio will be lowered by 50 basis points on September 6. It's the second cut this year. The Chinese central bank underpinned the support of its economy amid the economic contraction and the slump on financial markets. Experts anticipated this very decision, and now they predicted that the country's authorities will try to reach the planned economic growth of 7%. Specialists believe that the annual GDP growth rate of 7% is needed to create no less than 10 million vacancies in China's cities and keep the consumer inflation not higher than the targeted rate of 3%. Last month, China's industrial production, investment and retail sales turned out to be worse than forecast as exports tumbled sharply and industrial prices deflation rose. In the opinion of Bloomberg experts, the Chinese economy increased by 6.6% last month. According to some sources of Bloomberg, Beijing won't intervene in the stock market in the current week, but will try to evaluate the effect of support measures adopted earlier. Some sources inform that several Chinese officials believe that a tumble in the stock market will have a limited impact on the economy, while the potential expenses on keeping the market afloat might be too high. Others are sure that the market needs interventions, as a drop in the equity market poses risks to the bank system. The use of loans funds in large equities on the Chinese stock entails risks which a fall in the equity market involves to the financial system. After the Public Bank of China decision to trim its interest rates, the greenback grew by 1% against the currency basket. So the US dollar index, reflecting the US currency's fluctuations in regard to the basket of 6 major currencies, increased by 0.75% to 94.028. The Chinese rate move has boosted risk appetite, CEB currency strategist Richard Falkhall said. But it's too early to say buy the dollar, given all the sharp moves that have happened over the past few days. Longer term, we remain bullish on the dollar. It was ИнстаФорекс News and me, Kate Nidachina. See you next release.